Welcome to VPG Buildwell India Private Limited, manufacturer and exporter of construction equipment. The company was incepted in 1991 at Coimbatore. We have spread our wings to New Zealand, Indonesia, Canada, and other countries. International quality standards, expedite delivery schedules, and high operation efficiency are the strengths of our organization. We offer a vast range of concrete, paving block and concrete mixer machines. Our concrete and mobile automatic concrete batching plants are acknowledged for their functionality. We have gained tremendous expertise in providing fly ash brick making machines and concrete conveying equipments. We are one of the trusted names of the industry engaged in offering genuine quality construction equipments and hot mix plants. Our clients can avail from us an exquisite range of mini dumpers and self-loading mobile concrete mixers that are cost-effective. Our pan mixers and stone crusher are superior in performance. To know more about us, please visit our website www.blockmakingmachines.co.